What's up, y'all? It's Jen. I wanted to do a review on a Black-owned business for somebody that I ran across out here in Vegas. Very sweet soul. Her name is Ty. She created Sugar Lush Cosmetics, and it's a makeup line. And we connected through, I believe it was a Facebook group. She was looking for ambassadors, and so grateful that we connected. I love her products, I love her vibe, I love her energy, and I want her and everybody else to know that I love them, and I want you guys to be the judge of it yourself. So when I drop the website in the video, I need you guys to go to the website, purchase some of her products. You can use my special code. It's GRACED15 for 15% off. Show your love to a small business. She has great products and you won't be disappointed. But let's get into this review. So she gave me a package full of goodies. I wasn't even expecting. Honestly, I hit her up because I was looking for lashes. As a makeup artist, I'm constantly going through lashes, and what I've noticed is all my clients like the mink lashes, whether they're makeup people that don't wear makeup often, or people that do love makeup or don't wear makeup but love lashes. They want mink lashes, and we all know that mink lashes are not cheap. They're like maybe $10, $15, $20 depending on what store you get them from. So me, you know, I'm not selling lashes or anything, and I'm just tired of paying full like $25 prices for a sleigh that I charge between $45 to $60, and most of that is me purchasing her lashes. So I was looking around seeing if I could buy like maybe wholesale or just a big purchase of lashes at one time. I looked at her website and I saw some lashes that I really wanted. Maybe not even just for my clients, but for myself. And we just kind of connected. I saw her post. She was looking for ambassadors, and I was like, hey, this is a great opportunity. We met and she blessed me with some great products that I'm excited to show you guys. So without further ado, I want to show you some of the goodies that I have. If you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is gracedherface _MUA. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe. I'm not very consistent with these YouTube videos, but I'm very active on Instagram. I'm trying to touch all platforms and get better at it and work on my consistency. I'm blessed with such amazing clients and a floodgate of clients, whereas maybe a few months ago I was, you know, discouraged because I wasn't getting the business that I wanted. So for any out there that are maybe discouraged or maybe looking to start a channel, just start right now. Start with your phone. That's what I was doing. Right now I'm recording from my iPad. I don't have a Canon camera anymore. I think somebody stole it from me, but I'm not letting that get in the way of my videos or my editing. Right now it's late at night. This is my free time, so I'm gonna do it. So anyway, back to this amazing woman's products. She gave me, I bought like a few lashes and she gifted me, I think, a couple pair, or maybe I just kept a couple pair for myself and not given to my clients. That sounds about right. So I want to show you, first things first, her lip glosses. These, I wore my unicorn outfit because her colors give me unicorn vibes. So these are her colors. This top one is peachy, or peach kisses. Obviously it's very iridescent pink, has gold tones. This middle one is called Sugar Dust, iridescent white gold. And this last one is called Frosted Snow, a white iridescent with silvery gold sparkles in it. Very cute, very pretty. I want to see if I can swatch them for you guys. This one's peach kisses. Gives like a light iridescent pink. Maybe I should show you my lips. I keep looking, the camera's right there, but I keep looking this way because just what I see. Very natural. I think maybe the light is drowning out the color, but very light. Something that I think a lot of people like. Not everybody's a makeup artist. Not everybody likes bold colors. They want something natural, something light, very classy. So there's that one. The next one is Peach Kisses. This is my favorite. It's got like the rose gold, white iridescent going on. That one is the bomb. And this one has more of like that purpley, iridescent feel to it. Frosted Snow. Very cute, very cute, very cute. Definitely cop these, check them out. I love them. These stay in my purse, so clients don't get those ones. I definitely wore my lashes already, but I wanted you guys to see her packaging. They come in little compacts. Her packaging is cute. There's a little thank you on them. This one is Cinnamon. These are, I think, maybe the biggest lashes I've worn. They are on my Instagram and I've modeled them. Love, great for makeup artists, girls that love to just make a bold statement with their lashes. That one's a good pick. She has a ton of choices, and thankfully close-ups of them on her page and on her website. This one's Juicy Fruit, my ultimate favorite. I have these online as well on my Instagram, showing you what they look like. You can see how fluffy they are just from opening the package and not even having to turn it towards you yet. But yeah, these are them. Very, very fluffy, very, very soft, very voluminous. Like, these are the ones. These are the ones. Then there's Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is very short as far as the length goes, but very, very full. Another one of my favorites. If you maybe just want to do just lashes for the day and not necessarily put makeup on, or if you want to do a bold makeup look with some volume lashes, definitely choose these ones. Check her out on those lashes. Again, you get 15% off if you use my code GRACE15. You won't be disappointed. She also has like a gift box, a box that comes with 2 pair of lashes, tweezers that I'm about to show you, like an eyelash glue pen. I got a couple of these. One I use for my clients. The other 2, these are mine, because these are my favorite colors. But definitely, you can see very, I like the case. I like keeping things sanitized and very clean and presentable. And so here is her logo. And you, of course, you just plop those bad boys on and call it a day. A few cards. Check her out, Sugar Lush Cosmetics. This is her information. I'm also going to put her information in the description box below, or if this is Instagram, I'm going to put it in the caption. So check her out. Now, my favorite part is her palette. I love the pastel colors. I love that they're not huge. I love that they're compact. Can you tell which palette that I have been using the most on me and my clients? Can you tell? You take right there. So, of course, we're gonna show you the orange one. This is Creamsicle. And baby, when I tell you, this is giving me Previous Place with a twist, baby, it is. Look at these colors. It's giving you all the natural colors for a light glam, a light beat, all those naturalistas that just want to highlight their tones and not get too much. This is the palette for you. Very, very cute, very, very pigmented. I'm loving this yellow, this orange, and these gold. Even these have some sparkles to them. These are some of my favorite colors in this palette. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but that glitter is cute. Very warm, very neutral, very giving me goddess vibes with this creamsicle palette. Next we have one of my favorite colors. This is a pink palette. Sugar berries. This is sugar berries. I have not touched this baby just yet. She is so pretty. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Look at those glitters. Look at those glitters right there. Oh my gosh. All my favorites all in one. It's going to be hard to try to pick. Even that natural color right here. Bomb. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait to play. I can't wait to. Next we have Apple Rings. The green palette. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, yeah. Look at these colors. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Ooh, that bluish green, that turquoise color right here. Ooh, that white. Oh, I was just saying that I don't have a really good white. I can't wait to try that one. Definitely can't wait. Can't wait. Oh, that glitter. Amazing. I cannot wait. And of course, her palettes have mirrors in it, so you could be in the car getting your makeup done, doing your makeup on the go. Blueberry. I did play in this one, I think. Very pretty. Yeah, I played in this one. I had to dip in this one because this is so pigmented and those blues are amazing. I did a look using this palette on my page already. So pretty, so colorful. I love it. Got to love it. Got to love it. Got to love it. Even those natural colors at the top, all time faves. And bam, you got the whole Sugar Lush collection. Check them out. Check them out. Why not? Why not? If you want to play and see what these colors be about, baby, see what them lashes be about, again, use code GRACED15 for 15% off so you can have just as much as fun as I am. Because I don't know about you, but I'm about to do a look.